Hey guys, Paintball Masquerade here. This is just a continue of the last video that I just did on how to disassemble the lenses from the Profit paintball mask. And this is how to put it back on, just in case some of you do not know how to do that. What you're going to do now is put the lens back in, just how you took it out. Put it in like that. Make sure it's nice and snug on there. Make sure it looks right. Okay, make sure it fits in there properly. What you're going to do is take the straps, make sure they go on the correct one each. Okay, it's going to snap in there. Take the piece that fits that one, this. Okay, you're going to put it in like that. Lock it in, make sure those are in. Push that down like that, you can see, and just twist it, and it should be locked on that side. Then take it and do the exact same on the other side. Make sure it's in properly. Be a little bit of a bitch sometimes. Quite frustrating, must say. It's being a little bastard to me right now. There we go. Okay, snap that in. Take your piece. Put it in. Push down, and oops, mine didn't lock. Okay, and lock. Oh jeez, this is not doing what I want it to do. Sorry guys. Shit. I don't know why this is not working right now. When you put it in, you gotta make sure you hold this, because that's what's getting me right now. I didn't hold it, that's why it didn't work. Okay, hold it. Hold that part. Make sure this is correct. Alright, and just put it on. Make sure it works. Make sure it fits the way it did before. Place the straps where you normally would. And there you go. Alright. There you go guys. Hopefully that helps.